Welcome to our video guide on preparing for family mediation. Whether you're discussing future arrangements for your children or handling financial issues, being prepared can make a big difference. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your mediation sessions. First, create an agenda. Think about what you'd like to discuss. This could include anything related to your children's future arrangements or financial matters such as pensions or the family home. Having a clear agenda makes sure you cover all the important topics. Next, consider your hopes and what's important to you. Reflect on what you want to achieve and what factors are most important to you. Explaining these in mediation will help the mediator guide the discussions. Think about your ideas and possible options for the future. Preparing some potential solutions or compromises can facilitate a more productive conversation in mediation. If your mediation involves arrangements for children, visit the CAFCAS website. It offers resources to help you identify and discuss important issues regarding your children's well-being. For financial mediation, we will email you a financial questionnaire before your first mediation session. You need to complete this and send it back to your mediator at least a week before your appointment. Remember, it is a full and frank disclosure of all your finances. But don't worry if you don't have all the information, just answer as many questions as possible. When you discuss finances in mediation, your mediator will use your questionnaires to draft a financial schedule of information, an overview of your combined finances. In your meeting, you will review and discuss each other's financial information, so there is a combined and mutual understanding of all your finances. A draft financial schedule is converted into an open financial statement, OFS, if you reach full disclosure and agreement. Family mediation is an opportunity to have open discussions about significant issues in a structured and supportive environment. By preparing in advance, you can ensure these meetings are as productive and beneficial as possible. Here are our top 5 tips for a successful mediation. 1. Do prepare thoroughly. Before the session, gather all necessary documents such as financial records and create a list of topics you want to discuss. Being well prepared helps ensure that all important issues are addressed. 2. Do communicate clearly and openly. Be honest and clear about your needs, concerns, and goals. Effective communication is key to finding mutually acceptable solutions. 3. Do stay calm and respectful. Emotions can run high in mediation, but staying calm and respectful towards the other person promotes a constructive and collaborative environment. 4. Do be open to compromise. Be willing to listen to the other person's perspective and consider different options. Flexibility and willingness to compromise can help reach an agreement that works for everyone. 5. Do focus on the future. Conversations in mediation should be future-focused. This helps everyone collaboratively build solutions for the future. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you feel more prepared and confident for your mediation sessions. Remember, the key to a successful mediation is preparation, openness, and a willingness to work towards a mutually beneficial outcome. For more detailed information, visit our website. We're here to support you every step of the way.